my name is Janni Heitmann. Was born in Germany, lived mostly in the United States.
My name's Gary Lenehan. I'm from Ireland.
I'm Maria. We're from Australia. I born in Poland.
It was really like, like when I went to see a dentist just to get an estimate about if it was possible to get an implant, I was told I needed a bone marrow. Living in India right now, I did some research on the internet and then I found the website from Dr. Murugava.
I can now talk with confidence, I can now smile with confidence, I can now eat, enjoy food. It's made a transformation to my life, and I have absolutely no problem at all in recommending the best laser dental treatment, the best laser dental clinic in Chennai. So in the period I was here, I was made to feel welcome and cared for, and I have no problem in advising anyone to, if they are thinking of going down the route of implants, and certainly immediate load implants, teeth in 3 days, teeth in 5 days, whatever you like to call it, I would recommend that you contact, as first point of contact, you contact the Best Laser Dental Treatment clinic in Chennai.
The whole procedure went so smooth. I'm very happy. I mean, Dr. Murugava took such incredible care, like with every tooth and every implant that I got. Very happy. Okay.
We're very happy for the service, everything what they done to us, for our hospitality, and the job what we received was the top quality. We're very happy, and we recommend to everyone to come and look for themselves.